Hi guys, we have captured a few magic moments of our kids playing in the forest, and we are happy to share with you a few tips and behind the scenes. So for our photoshoot we used an Sony a7R III. I love his powerful sensor, its full frame camera, and here we use the Sigma Art Lens 85, what is brilliant. We used here no flashes, no blends, only the sunset and we. Okay, about the settings. You have to make wide open lens, in this case is 1.4. The shutter speed I set it very quickly, it's about 1600, and the white balance I set up manually, it's 5800 Kelvin. The most important thing is to know your gear. When we make some pictures on the golden hour, mostly professional photographers use the M mode, it means manual, to set aperture, shutter speed, ISO, but during the sunset we have to avoid some issues by exposures and watch the multimeter, it's here. The time is running and outside will be darker, and the annoying thing is to scroll it down the shutter speed. For that I give you one tip. To save your time, give your camera to A mode. You are able to adjust only the aperture and the shutter speed will exposing automatically. Mostly I adjust with my multimeter limiter, it's on -0.3. It makes automatically a little bit darker the image. It avoids some overexposes on the hairs from the sun. And the shoot during the magic hour is 1 or 3 hours at the end of the day will give you amazing results. And less is more. Simplify your photos. If you are photographing your kids, just let them be themselves, let them play, and live their kids' life just in front of the camera. And for outfits, it's better to use natural colors, especially if you are shooting, for example, in the forest. Gray, brown, beige, greens, and other neutral colors would work perfect and would be in harmony with nature. Check your angles to make sure you are at the same eye level as your children. You will have more natural perspective and will be able to capture their cute face expressions. Be patient, give them time to get involved in some activity and capture them in action. So that's all. Have fun, both you and kids. Thanks for watching. Bye.